Hi, today we are going to define our curls from this to something like this. I'm not really sure if my hair is 4C. I stand to be corrected. If anyone knows what hair type this is, I would really be glad to know. But I'll just go with 4C because I've seen a lot of people say same hair type is 4C. So I'm gonna go with 4C. So basically what I'm gonna do is shampoo my hair, condition my hair, and then lastly I'm gonna style. So you need to stay tuned as the styling is very important. A lot of people miss it when they start saying we are making curls instead of defining curls. We don't really make curls on African hair, we define them. The curls are already there. If you take a strand of your hair, you cut or you pull and you put it in water, you can see that your hair coils. I used to do this when I was doing waves. If you want to see my wave video, you can go watch. I did a wave video some time back, and that's how we used to test if your hair is super curled, not curled, but mostly African hair is curled. So you can just go watch it. But I'm still gonna make another video that is going to explain the whole strand method. Shampoo that I'm gonna use is this one from Movit. Unfortunately, I'm filming with the front camera, so you can't definitely see the words, but this is Movit. So bubbles again. So basically I've put my shampoo. I'm just gonna rinse it off and then we move to the next step. So this is my hair after shampooing. The next step is actually conditioning, and we're using Movit again. Conditioner. It's a coconut conditioner and it's only 11 kwacha, guys. I think it's manageable. I'm just gonna put it in my head and leave it for about 10 to 15 or even 30 minutes. Yeah, but here it says you can leave it for 1 to 2 minutes. Yeah, so let's go by what is written here, 2 minutes. So I think, yeah, in 2 minutes time we then remove it. So I've put the conditioner. That's how you put conditioner. Oh, this part so that okay, so avoid massaging the scalp. There's a certain level of discomfort that comes with massaging the scalp with conditioner, so I have to be very careful. So basically the hair has to get the conditioner, not the scalp. So when I'm done like this, I have to leave it for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, I'm going to wash it and then we'll continue. So basically, I'll be using this product called Vitaflo. Is the Vitaflo. So yeah, guys, you have to avoid such like these knots. It's usually what you do when you're conditioning. You have to make sure you don't have knots, because when it's like this, it just means I have to pull out and break my hair, because there's nothing I can do. Either way, this is what they call a freeze. So I have to. Too bad for me, but after that it's not okay. The other one, so I have to sacrifice that again. Yeah. There you have it. Where's the camera? It's not showing. Yeah, so that's it, and that's very sad. That's a lot of hair, and I'll be good to go. So see you in my next video. I'm sure in my next video I'll be talking about, what should I talk about? You let me know what you'd love to learn about hair. Yeah.